about some of these tricks? I mean, give us an example. What would you do to the kids that they would be wowed by?
Well, one of the things I do is I demonstrate and explain how to do math in your head really quickly. For example, how to multiply any two-digit numbers in your head, or if you give me, say, a three-digit number, I can multiply it by itself. That's called squaring the number as fast as the calculator. And I'll teach people how to do that.
So I've got a problem for you.
You do?
Are you up for the challenge?
Why not?
I know. Okay, all right. So this is to prove that we are in the very being of a mathematician right here.
Absolutely.
What is 498 squared?
248,004.
What? Whoa, that's so weird. Okay, I don't think I was even be able to type that fast enough to be able to get a calculator to do that any quicker than you. How did you do that?
And let me say, I don't have that answer memorized. I really was calculating.
He really didn't. I didn't tell him before, guys. I can absolutely say he really didn't.
Right. So, I can describe the method to you. To square a number, let's take an easy number like 12. Now, many people know 12 squared is 144. Now, here's how to square it using my method. I take the number 12 and go down to an easy number like 10. You go down 2 to 10. You go up the same distance. You go up 2 to 14. Now, tell me 14 times 10 is 140.
140, yeah.
Almost there. To get the final answer, you add the square of the number you went up and down. You went up and down 2. 2 squared is 4. And there's your answer, 144. Let's do a bigger one. Let's say the problem was 97 squared. I'd go up 3 to 100, down 3 to 94. 94 times 100 is?
940.
9,400.
9,400,
yes.
sorry.
That takes practice.
God, I failed like Common Core or something.
And then, almost done. Now, what do we add to that? Well, we went up and down 3, and 3 squared is 9, and there's your answer, 9,409. Now, you gave me a rather easy three-digit number. It didn't sound like it, but you said 498 squared. So I went up 2 to 500, down 2 to 496. 500 times 496, I won't say how I did that, but it's 248,000. Add the square of 2 to get 248,004.
So I wanted to show everybody the difference here between my face and Arthur's face right now, because you are like giddy with excitement about this, and my face when I have to do any kind of mathematical problem is this. And I think that this is like the expression of most people's faces. What is it about math that you find really fun? Because I find it kind of terrifying.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what I found fun about it as a kid was that you could take a problem, even something as mundane as a multiplication problem, do it lots and lots of different ways, and if you're careful, you always get the same answer. And I just found that consistency of mathematics to be really rather magical, and I still do today.